Hello everyone, I am Kirti Gupta and I am here to explain chapter 10, The Banyan Tree, from English Literature Honeysuckle class 6th. Let's begin with the introduction. The story belongs to Banyan Tree as we can see the title of the chapter. This story talks about a boy who lived with his grandparents. He was the owner of a large old banyan tree that had squirrels, snails, and butterflies. Once he befriended a squirrel which resided in the tree. They became so intimate that the squirrel trusted him enough to be taking morsel from his hand. Basically, the banyan tree is a typical Indian tree. It has huge size. They provide cool shades to traveler, birds and beasts. Its branches sometimes touch the ground and take roots. So, the writer of this chapter, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's story, however, deals with very little with the tree itself. One day he was thrilled to see a fight between a mongoose and a cobra. In the addition to the writer, there were two other witnesses to the deadly drama, a manna and a wild crow. The snake, 6 feet long, raised its hood and stuck again and again, but mongoose not only escaped but also bit it on the back. Basically, in this chapter, we saw a mongoose and snakes fight, where mongoose win and snake died. So let's begin with the summary. In this chapter, Ruskin's Bond shows us fight between mongoose and snakes, how they fight and all the situation happening around them, and the outcome of story. Such a fight is the drama of the death of the cobra. The cobra got tired in the fight and the mongoose dragged into the bushes. Basically, what I'm saying, in short, the cobra got tired in the fight and the mongoose dragged into the bushes. Basically, the cobra died. So, we start the summary. The banana tree gives a blood-chilling account of a fight between a mongoose and a cobra. The author was hiding in its branches, like the author sitting on the branch of the banana tree. He watched the fight going on in a cleaning in bright sunshine. The grey mongoose was 3 feet and the cobra was 6 feet long. Both could move with the speed of light. The cobra had his small bags behind the teeth full of deadly poisons. Beside the writer, there were two other spectres, manna and a wild crow. Not only the writer, but there were two other spectres like a manna and a wild crow was also watching the deadly scenes. They settled on a cactus plant. Both were excellent and experienced in fighting. The cobra raised half his body off the ground and the long hair on the mongoose back also stepped. He went near the snake stuck, but the little one jumped to one side and even bit the snake on the back. This snake wanted to memorize his enemy to make a wrong move, but the mongoose fixed his eyes just below the snake hood. The two birds also tried to hurt the snake but failed. As we can see in the chapter, in the third round, they were like fighting and again fighting. In second round, the two birds were trying to they both trying to help mongoose, but In second round, Manna was lucky, but the wild crow was not lucky, or he died between the fight of mongoose and cobra. The cobra bit the bird, which died in a few minutes. The mongoose walked fearlessly up to it and caught the cobra by its neck. The cobra coiled itself about the little one, but did not have the strength to tighten its grip. The mongoose first made sure that he was died. In between the fight, cobra stopped the struggle and lay down, and it stopped its struggle and lay death. But the mongoose have to confirm that he died or not. After he confirmed that, then he dragged into the bushes. The Manna congratulate the winner from a safe distance and flew away. Basically, in this chapter, the banana tree is like main, because all they were fighting in front of banana tree, and the poet was sitting on his branches, and but the banana tree is important to the writer as the banana tree of his grandparents, and he loved the banana tree so much. Okay, I have mentioned some additional questions as well. Hope this questions helps to you guys. So this is it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.